Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Elise, and I'm back with another hair video. So the hair on today's video does come from a company called Eva Hair, and they are an AliExpress vendor. If you guys check the info box below, I will have all the information located about the wig that I have. So again, you guys do check there. They are having their 8/28 hot sale. So if you guys want to take advantage of that, all the information will be in the info box below as well. So here's the wig that I have, and it's in that gorgeous deep curly texture. You guys know how I feel about my curly hair. It is a lace front wig, so you do have a little bit of lace in the front. You have the wefting in the back. The knots are already pre-bleached, but I did go in and bleach them again because I can still kind of see some of the knots, so I went ahead and did it over again. But here's another view of the wig. It does have their pre-plucked hairline and baby hairs, which I was extremely appreciative of. But yeah, so you guys notice right here, I did go in and bleach the knots again. So I'm just gonna put a grocery bag on my canvas block, and I'm gonna go ahead and just customize the wig to work for me. And I noticed that I really didn't have to do too much because the pre-plucked hairline and the baby hairs really helped out a lot. But if I can lend some of these hair companies some advice, okay, there are more than 3 different shades of us girls out there. So I did kind of struggle a little bit with the lace color because it was a little too light for my complexion. So again, you hair vendors out there, if Fenty Beauty can have 40 different shades, then I'm sure you can have more than 3 different lace colors, you know, sis. I'm just saying. But yeah, right now I'm just trimming down the baby hairs along the front perimeter. And again, as you guys noticed, the hairline is pre-plucked, so it made styling the baby hairs super easy. And I have to say this, okay, if you guys aren't a fan of baby hairs, don't do it. You don't have to come for me for doing it. Just don't do it. That's simple. But yeah, I went ahead and I laid the baby hairs as usual. And I really want this wig to look like the original photo that I saw on the website. So I'm styling it up to look just like the picture on the website. So I just did a side part, and I'm just clipping that clip there just to add some volume on top because I like the way they had it styled. That's the reason why I became drawn to this wig. But yeah, this is about 2 days later. The hair is completely dried, and that is what it was looking like. And I'm now putting on my stocking cap because my braids are just getting so long. My hair is just getting so long and so thick, so pretty soon I'm probably not going to be able to wear wigs anymore because I'm just dealing with too much hair up underneath them. But girl, as soon as I put this wig on, tell me that we're not ready to just leave out the door right now, okay? I mean, other than the lace color being a little too light, that's why I'm taking my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Powder, and I want to say this is in the color dark. I always forget, but I think it's in the color dark. I'm just going along the lace color, but I'm thinking that it's maybe my lighting that's enhancing that lighter color lace because I feel like in person, I was able to disguise that light lace color, but once I watched back the video, I was like, man, like I just really highlighted the lace color, like no lie. But yeah, I am going to do an updated lace tinting video for those of you guys who may be interested to seeing how you can get your lace to match your complexion. For those of you guys who are a little darker than the lace color. Okay, maybe if you're a little lighter as well, but I will be doing a lace tinting video just to kind of make it look a little darker so that it blends in more effortlessly with your complexion, just in case foundation just is not cutting it. But yeah, that's going to be in an upcoming video, so give this video a like if you guys want to see it. But right now I'm just going back in and I am laying the baby hairs once again. I'm just using a little bit of my foaming wrap mousse and a little brush to lay those, and it was very easy. But yeah, this is what it's looking like, and up close you don't really notice how light the lace color is. That's why I was like, okay, I have to get an up close take so you guys can see what I'm seeing, but it's not that bad. I think it's just my lighting. But get into this hair. I love the texture. I don't know, I'm just a huge fan of textured hair. I'm not really into loose wave or body wave or straight texture hair anymore. I'm just loving the curly, wavy gorgeousness of this wig, and it is super soft. I didn't really encounter too much tangling. However, I did get shedding, and it was probably a little more than what I was comfortable with. So keep that in mind. But I'm going to give you guys another styling option because there was quite a few different pictures of this wig styled on the website. They had it going up and out of the face, which initially drew me to the wig, but I have to do the side part because that's just, you know, what I do. So right now I just took the wig off and I put it back onto my canvas block, and I'm just spraying it down with some water. I'm adding some more of my foamy wrap mousse, and we're just going to push the hair out of the face. And I'm going to also go in with my Denman brush to kind of help direct those hairs to go back. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'll see you guys once I'm done. So now I'm going to go ahead and put the wig back on, and bam. Okay, right now you're really noticing the lace color, and upon editing this video, that's what I was noticing, the lace color. So some of you hair vendors, if you guys can you know, make more lace colors or even do custom colors, it'll really help out because you guys came a long way. The wig game has come a long ways, and pretty much we're gonna be able to just throw the wig on our heads and just go. But until then, hey, companies, okay, companies. But yeah, you guys, again, do check out Eva Hair. I will have all the information located in the info box below. Let me know what you guys think. And oh yeah, you guys do take advantage of their sale. I will have all the information located in the info box below. But I just spritzed down the hair with a little more water because it was starting to frizz up, and just look how the curls just pop right back in, girl. But yeah, again, you guys do check out Eva Hair and let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye guys.